Okay, hi guys, this is Kearns, and this is for lesson 3. We're gonna talk about references and we're gonna present some tools because now we're gonna start getting into business, and specifically when we're gonna get in the second part of the class. So, my philosophy about that is remember that trading is a real business and you don't go cheap. If you think that we're gonna get everything for free, this class is a privilege, I can say. So, because of that, don't think that you won't need to buy books. Don't think that you won't need to pay trading class. We're talking about be part of a real trading community, not just this class. If you wanna trade on stock market, you need another class, a paid class preferably, a good one with good reviews, in which you're gonna be part not just a class but a community. It's very important to surround yourself with other traders because this business, it's really like those field in which mentorship is extremely powerful. It's like medicine or engineering. You might have the theory, but in order to build up the reflexes you need to take decision really quickly and with confidence, you need to surround yourself, be part of community. That's the reason why I always said this is an introduction. This class is just an introduction because so many people, they get into this, they don't really know what they're doing, and so that they keep losing money. So important, don't go cheap. First thing, I am gonna talk about books. Now, these are the books that you must buy. Don't even think about. I'm gonna wait. You need to buy them. Okay, I don't have any kind of reference. They don't give me some kind of quote because I think that these books are very simple. These are very good information that these are good information that if you just start, you can use. Now I'm gonna use by saying this is not as of now what I'm talking, this is not available yet, but you can definitely buy this. You need to buy this. There's a lot of information that I'm gonna use when it comes to concept term, and when it comes to philosophy. I use a lot of them. So you need to buy this book. You don't have to buy them just all of them. You just one after the other. The first thing. Now these are not specific to cryptocurrencies or stock market. They are general books, most of them, and they are just like this class. We're gonna use information. We just want to teach. So any example that can give more, that can help you get a concept, we're gonna use it no matter what. Now the next thing is a trading platform. Now when it comes to using a trading platform, we're gonna use cryptocurrency trading just because it's more easier. What I mean by easier is you can literally start trading with $100 and not paying huge fees because for example, if you want to trade stock market, it's if you are at a very early stage of your learning, you're gonna pay fees and stuff. They talk about that in I think that in this many of these books, specifically by Andrew, they talk about these things. These kind of things, they are not welcome when it comes to learn, because I strongly believe that it takes you at least 2 years of learning curve in order to grab the material and kind of start being understand what you're doing and eventually being profitable. So the reason why I recommend people to start trading cryptocurrency is because it's the cheapest experience you can get. You can get a good experience, learn stuff that you always need down the road, but at a very affordable price. So got some of them here. I'm not gonna post any kind of, well, I'm just gonna give you what I think about them as of now, and then it's June 2019 as of now, what they represent. So first thing, you have Binance. This is the best trading platform by volume traded, I think. And the only thing I think that as of now they are talking about margin trade, but the thing is, as of now you can only trade exchange trade. We're gonna explain what does that mean. You can only exchange trade, so the trading experience is not complete on Binance, but they are the best in terms of volume. Bitfinex is a very controversial trading platform, but sincerely, when it comes to experience, they are the best. They are the best in terms of offering trading experience. Bitfinex, well known, very complete. The only problem is that there is a lack of diversity. Is not supported by all browsers. I just heard that. And then you have Coinbase Pool. This is my main trading platform personally. Just because if you're in the United States, you are limited. I think there's a lot of limitation in these. If like me, you have different origin, or used to live in different countries. So the way that I do is that we are organized in group. So I have friends in Mexico, I got friends in Haiti, I got friends in Canada and Switzerland. So we kind of, because we are swing traders, so we share a lot of information between us. So we kind of share account. That's the way we organize ourselves in order to build up our trades. For an example, I am essentially responsible of doing technical analysis for swing trades and investment. I just do my analysis, I record them and I send them to them. They take decisions based on what I do, and then we share information. So that's the kind of thing you can do. That's the reason why I always tell everybody, you gotta be part of a group, because you just cannot do that on your own, because of the fact that you will lose the benefit of learning in group. You also lose the benefit of it's a possibility to open business in different countries, honestly, and take advantage of different regulation, I can say. So that's another point. And remember, you don't go cheap in this business. And this brings me to the next point, which is you need a TradingView account. And please do not use the free one. Just don't use it. Now, a lot of people are using it. I think that I know there is difference between the two of them. I am gonna make those difference when I'm gonna talk about different kind of indicators. I am gonna show you why you must use the paid version, because indicators might have the same name in TradingViews, but the paid one tends to be more accurate than the free ones. And there's a lot of things you are limited in your, for example, alerts. You are limited in what you can do. There is a reason why some people pay and some people are using the free version. So please do me a favor, do not use the free version of TradingView. So we're gonna have to talk about it now. I think that the next lesson is still lesson 3, but we're gonna have to give another presentation about TradingView and in sense a little bit more detail. Alright, now the last slide, I'm gonna go briefly on what type of material you're gonna need. So obviously you need an office, a setup. We're gonna call that a trading setup. Now these are the basics that you're gonna need to get. You need to buy what is available, the best of what you can afford. Okay, so you're gonna need a computer, and I suggest you don't go anywhere lower than Intel i3. Don't go anywhere lower than that. Some traders use gaming computer. My trading setup is a gaming computer, But if you, let's say if you're in college, it's not it's not really where you're gonna start. And it's essentially, if you start your learning process, there's no need to go too expensive, because the most important thing is not how expensive is your trading setup, it's how much information you master. So if you're still in your first year of trading, so the most important thing is about the information. You should save that money to buy books, and then you should save that money to be part of, well-known classes out there. So you're gonna need a monitor. Remember that we are swing traders. Essentially, we don't need more than two. I use 3 monitors. It's just because I use my computer to do other stuff. But when it comes to swing trading, you don't sit down in front of a computer constantly like scalpers and day traders. So you won't need any like 6-7 monitors. If you see a swing trader using more than 3 monitors, it's just someone who don't even know what he's doing. And eventually you're gonna need an internet access. You need the highest you can pay. That's how I think you should go with this one. And please, all connection must be wired. So no Bluetooth, no wireless. Everything must be wired using a cable. Maybe you will need to contact your internet service provider for advices, and some internet service provider, they have security packages. Now, because we deal with money and it really depends on where you are in trading, if you have an account with a lot of found in it, you certainly need to use paid antivirus and firewall. Strongly recommend that you use this device as a physical firewall in your house. Use VPN just to make sure that your connection are protected, secure in a sense. And then once again, you might need to call a specialist, security specialist, just to give you some advice, and eventually pay a service of security, because it's all about where you are. If you have an account with serious amount of money, you will need to pay security services, obviously. But if let's say that you have a small trading account, like anything under $500, or you are here to learn before you go hard, and maybe you're gonna need to try to set up your security on your own in the beginning, but after that, eventually this is where you're gonna have to head in the future. The next lesson we're gonna talk about TradingView, but as of now, that's it for lesson 3. Remember to subscribe, comment, and share, and take care of yourself. Bye.